generously sized tank, ensuring a consistent and substantial supply of adhesive throughout your production process.
Heating belt enables the gluing machine to adapt to various adhesive types and bonding environments. The control panel is simple and convenient, allowing detailed control of each parameter to meet your specific requirements. Integrate automatic cleaning systems into our glue applicators to achieve higher levels of operational efficiency. Our gluing machine can ensure the glue is evenly and accurately coated on the target surface, improving production quality.